Hello, my name is Mayanka. I am accounts and finance trainer from UPLEX. Today, we will understand what is accounting and the importance of accounting. Accounting, meaning of accounting. Accounting is the process of recording financial transactions which are relating to the business. Accounting is the process in which we record all the financial transactions which are relating to the business. For the example, there is the purchase of goods, then we will record it. There is the sale of any goods, then we will record it. Payment of salary to the employee, we will also record it. These all are financial transactions, these all are business transactions. So in the case of accounting, we will record all these transactions. The accounting process include summarizing, it is include summarizing, analyzing, and reporting these transactions to the oversight agencies, regulators, and tax collection entities. In the case of accounting, we summarize all the financial transaction. Means first first we enter such accounting transaction in our journal. Means first we pass the journal entry in our system. Then after we posting it in our ledger account. Then after we we calculate or we calculate the balance, is that we calculate the balance of ledger. Then after we prepare our trial balance, and then after on the basis of such trial balance we will prepare on the basis of such trial balance we will prepare the financial statement. So the process of passing the entry in the journal is to be known as entry passing, means generalizing. Then after when we transfer all these entry to the ledger, it is to be known as posting. It is mean analyzing of data. Means we will analyze it by the way of ledgers. We pass all these entry to the ledger account, and then after the ledger or after the posting, we will summarize it in a trial balance. So it is the process of summarizing. Then after the summarizing, we will prepare the financial statement, and on the basis of such financial statement, we will we will summarize the financial data. We will analyze financial data, and on the basis of this we can take the proper decision. We can take the proper decision about the business enterprise. And on the basis of these financial transaction and on the basis of these reporting, we provide all the transactions to regulators and to tax collector entity. Is that when we prepare the financial statement, and on the basis of these financial statement we will determine the amount of incomes. We have prepared profit and loss account, and we calculate the amount of profit and loss which is earned by the organization. And on the basis of such incomes we prepare income tax return, and on the basis of this we can provide the data to the tax collection authority. So the accounting process is a process which include summarization of financial transaction, analyzation of financial transaction, and reporting of these transaction to oversight agency, to regulators, and to the tax collection entities. The financial statement used in accounting, the financial statement, the use in the accounting are the conscious summary of financial transaction over an accounting period. summarizing a company's operation and the financial position and cash flow. The financial statement which are prepared, the financial statement which are prepared, these statements are the these statements are the conclusive summary of financial transaction of the entity over the accounting period. Means it is a summary of all the transactions which are performed and which are done by the organization during the relevant accounting period. On the basis of these financial statement, we can know about the company's operations, company's financial position, company's financial performance, and we can also know about the company's cash inflows and cash outflows. So the financial statement is a conclusive summary of financial transaction over an accounting period. It is the summary of company's operation, company's financial position, and company's cash flow. Accounting is all about the process that help to record, summarize, analyze, and report data that concern financial transaction. That concern the financial transaction. So, for the purpose of this, It is important to understand the meaning of transaction. So, this is the perfect and a proper meaning of accounting so that we can understand what is the accounting. So, this is the proper meaning of accounting. Accounting is a term that describes the process of consolidating financial information to make it clear and understandable for all stakeholders and shareholders. Accounting is a term which is describe the process. It is a it is a term which is prescribe the process of consolidating financial information. Means in the case of accounting, the financial statement or all other statement are prepared on the basis of financial transaction. So the accounting consolidate all the financial information and the financial transaction of the entity and provide the it provide the understanding and clarity about such a transaction to the stakeholders and to the shareholders. Because on the basis of these financial transaction, on the basis of these financial information, the stakeholders and the shareholders of the company can take the decision properly. They can take the decision properly. The main goal of the accounting is to and record a company's financial transaction, financial performance, and company's cash flow. This is the main goal or this is the main objective of the accounting in the respect of organization to record all the company's financial transaction, company's performance, and company's cash flow. So this is the definition. This is the meaning of accounting. Now, we will discuss the importance of accounting. Why do I need it? Why there is a requirement of accounting in each and every organization. Accounting plays a very important role in running the business. Means for running the business, for performing the business activities, the accounting has a very important role because on the basis of such accounting we can track on the basis of such accounting we can track the amount of income which is earned by the organization, the amount of expenditures which are spent by the organization, and we can also ensure about the all other statutory requirement and statutory compliances and provide investor management and government with quantitative information. which can be used in making the business decision, which is the very much useful for taking the business decision. Is that accounting? In the case of accounting, when we prepare all the statement, profit and loss account, balance sheet, and all other relevant statement, then on the basis of this we can track income and expenditure. Is that profit and loss account of the organization? We can ensure about the statutory compliances which are relating to the organization, and we can end on the basis of this the on the basis of this the investors and the shareholder stakeholders, they can take the proper decisions about the organization. Means they can know about the quantitative information, they can know about the quantitative information about the organization. It helps in evaluating the performance of business. On the basis of accounting, on the basis of accounting, the investor can evaluate the performance of the business. They can know about whether the organization is doing the activities and organization is performing all the business activity properly or not. Next, it ensure statutory compliances. It is ensure all the statutory compliances. Is that on the basis of this, we can understand when we prepare all the financial statement. On the basis of this, we can understand which rule is applicable on us, which provision is applicable on such organization, and we can also ensure all other statutory compliance which are applicable on such organization. It helps to create budget and future projection. The accounting is the very much helpful to create the budget and the future projection. And it is also very much helpful in filing the financial statement. It is also very much helpful in filing the financial statement, filing the returns, filing the data which are relating to the financial transaction of the business or of the organization. So these are the importance and the requirement of accounting in our organization or in all over the world which are doing the financial business or which are doing the business activities. So on the basis of this, we have discussed the introduction of accounting as well as the importance of accounting. All the concept or all the important and relative provisions and transactions and how to perform, how to enter these transactions and these activities in our books of accounts. Means how to prepare general, how to prepare laser, how to prepare trial balance, and how to prepare financial statement are properly covered by us in our different classes. So kindly consider all the classes for the proper knowledge of accounting. Means how to prepare books of account you can understand on the basis of these classes. Thank you so much for watching this video. Okay, bye bye and have a nice day.